Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about Alia Bhatt's upcoming film. So teaser trailer come out today for Jigra. So I'm going to talk about give my thoughts on the teaser trailer for Alia Bhatt's next film, Jigra. So let's start. Teaser trailer review. The evolution of Alia Bhatt into an action star seems to have begun. The Jigra teaser trailer is finally out as Alia Bhatt and Vedang Rana have impressed the audience with performances with a gripping thriller. Alia Bhatt has become synonymous with versatility as a cinephilist continues to praise her range, performances, choices of roles, and the transformations she undergoes in every single role. Last year, she took the fandom by storm when she announced that she would be starring in a Vasan Bala movie titled Jigra, means courage, guts, Jigra, an action drama about two siblings standing against the world. The elder sister will face whatever hell she must is it's for her little brother. The announcement teaser was so captivating, captivating and intense that fans were eagerly waiting to learn more about the story and the movie, which is set to hit the big screens on October 11, 2024. And her team have now shared the first teaser trailer of Jigra, and it's packed with drama. Jigra teaser trailer review, directed by Vasan Bala and written by Vasan Bala himself and Dabrishin A. Grimbing. A. Grimbing. Jigra introduces us to Alia Bhatt's action-packed avatar. The teaser trailer shows a woman standing on her ticking bomb as she claims her brother has very little time. It's revealed that she needs to be saved, and suddenly a voice, Manoj Pava, says, "Let's blast the prison walls," indicating that the brother is imprisoned from far home, from far home. Jigra is intense, and the filmmakers make a creative decision to keep the trailer silent for the most part. The opening creates a void that is filmed by Alia explaining how she lost her parents, how they were brought up, and what these hardships are leading to. But the looks of it, Jigra feels like a prison break drama where Alia Bhatt's character travels to a country from far home, which seems to like Japan. She wants to break into a prison and get her brother out, but the path to breaking into a prison is not straightforward. We see her fighting, going through fire, running from people, and facing many challenges. Overall, the teaser captures the essence of the movie well. They are but impactful, minimal but impactful dialogues, and Vedang Raina himself sings "Ek Hazaron Mein Meri Behna Hai" was a good song which plays at the background. As a Butt takes on the world to get her brother out of prison. This brings us to Alia Bhatt. A pivotal moment in the teaser shows her wanting to become the Bachchan. She said, "हमें बच्चन बनना है." She said, "I want to be a Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan." Of this story, in the every in the very next frame, she emerges from a tanker with various weapons and tools in her hands. It's fascinating to see her take on an action role after playing a real live sex worker in a Sanjay Leela Pansali film, Gungu by Katiawala. And the film coincidental Karan Johar's heroine in Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी. This demonstrates her rage. She captivates with her performance, and there is so much anticipation when the movie finally hits the big screen. So it's looking promising. The trailer, it's looking amazing, fantastic. But there is a prison break drama are always interesting, but they are a also quite common. The Hindi film circuit itself saw the earlier this year with Savi. Jigra will have to re-establish the genre and bring a fresh twist to it. The teaser trailer has promised a whole lot of emotions. So the teaser has promised one thing away, lot of emotion. The emotional question is already high. So the emotion hit clicked, and the movie will likely ride on it. But it definitely deserves much more with artists like Anuchin Thakkar, Varun Grover, and others attached to the project. And there is a lot of hope for the film. It is a lot of hope film, guys. I enjoyed the trailer. Alia Bhatt is fantastic in the brilliant. She is in the Jigra teaser trailer, and she did fantastic films. In Razi, super hit blockbuster it was Razi. Then she did Gungu by Katiawala with Sanjay Leela Balzali, and she did Darlings as well. And she's looking very promising. And plus, the song plays Meri Behna Hai, full song. Yeah, Ek Hazar Ab Meri Behna Hai. The song plays in the background. That's brilliant as well. And the trailer is outstanding on how she become a butcher, how she tried to protect her brother because he has very little time, and it has a lot of emotional clicked. It's just outstanding. Yeah, Alia Bhatt is looking promising in the film, and I love the trailer. It's fantastic, absolutely brilliant. Absolutely is a winner. And Vedang Rana sang this song as well himself, which is brilliant, and is a gripping thriller action film looks like. And Alia Bhatt will click with this film, and this she will click in this action pack drama film, emotional as well, is gonna click at the box office. And Alia Bhatt is the true lady superstar, just like Shraddha Kapoor was in Stree 2, and Alia Bhatt is another lady superstar of Hindi cinema. And Jigra has a lot of guts, lots of courage, and she will win this fight. Anything, she will do anything to save her brother from jail and all that. Absolutely fantastic, and the trailer clicked very well with me. Was the trailer twice, and I loved it. Emotional clicked as well. Plus the Behna song clicked, and his brother as well. And she will go anything. She goes through to fire, and she will win. Absolutely, it's a winner. Absolutely fantastic, and Alia Bhatt superb in the teaser trailer, and the posters are fantastic as well. Different each poster is brilliant as well of Jigra. Absolutely fantastic. So my honest rating is 4.5 stars. Absolutely fantastic, brilliant teaser trailer, and looking promising. And the film hits on cinemas on 11th October 2024. It's a winner. So Jigra is the winner at the box office. I loved it. Alia Bhatt performance in the trailers performed brilliant as well. Yeah, she's protecting her brother. She's saving her brother from jail. And this is what every sister should do, saving his brother. Ever if they're in trouble or in problem, and she is the winner. She would do anything to save his brother, no matter what it takes. She will win. And she has that Jigra, and the title is fantastic. Karan Johar's film as well, Jigra. She has guts and she has is hope in the film. There's hope. There's hope of the film and it's looking outstanding. Yeah, that's what we call it Jigra. Guts to doing things. Yeah. So there you go. 4 out of 5 for Jigra teaser trailer, which hit today on a Sunday. And I love the Bena wala song. Meri Pyani Bena. Fulo Saroka. Absolutely fantastic. So 4 out of 5. Alia Bhatt gets 5 out of 5. Manoj Pava was in the trailer as well. He gets 5 out of 5, and his brother as well gets 5 out of 5. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. I love the trailer of Jigra. Brilliant. So let's hope the film clicks at the box office, and it has all the ingredients to click at the box office. So Jigra is a winner for me. 4 out of 5 for the teaser trailer. Brilliant. So stay safe, play safe. See you soon. Take care. Bye.